So one thing I learned this year is how to change my background to whatever I want it to look like. So these are the backgrounds I have, and I can use anyone I like. So I'll teach you in 2 seconds. So go to your app store. That's my app store. If you don't have an iPhone, you can go to your Play Store. So type in Leonardo AI. So that's it now. So click. So that is it. It's actually open here because I've already downloaded it. So you click and download. So when you download, this is what you will see. You will see it something like this. So you can scroll up. You see different images that will pop up. So now I've already created an account with Leonardo AI. So for you to create an account with Leonardo AI, just click on this create new image, and then they will bring up create account. So you log in with your Google account and AI will create an account for you immediately. So click on create image. These are the images that I created using Leonardo AI. These are the images that I have in my page. I've already created these images. So back to what we have here, click on create new image. Once you click on create new image, AI will automatically bring out something for you to type in. So the beautiful thing is that one image costs just 20 coins, and when you log into Leonardo AI, you'll be given 150 free coins. So every day you have 150 free coins for any image you want to generate. So here I want to generate a nice sitting room, and after typing nice sitting room with flower decoration, so that's it. I'm generating it now, so I'll wait up for some time for AI to generate. And these are the images generated for me, so I have to choose the one I want. So I chose this and I have to save it. Next up is to I had to save it to my phone. And next up is to open another important app, that is the Canva app. Please, if you don't have the Canva, you just have to download it the way you downloaded Leonardo AI, right? So once you open Canva, click on this plus sign down and then click on YouTube thumbnail. Once you click on YouTube thumbnail, you open up a design page, and then you go down, click on add, and then this will pop up. Then go to your camera and then choose the image you've saved, and then adjust it to fit the thumbnail size. So after adjusting it, just like this one, so you try to save it. So click on download, and then you can change the name, but there I didn't, so I downloaded it straight up, and this is what you will see when it's downloading. So after downloading your image, your design, you open another app, the CapCut. So once you open CapCut app, if you don't have CapCut, you can also download, create a new project, and then choose that image that you designed, your design, choose it. That will be your background. So that is it. So next is to adjust it to the timing of the video you want to use with it. So next is to click on overlay, and then this will pop up. So you choose the video that you want to change the background. So I'm looking for the video right now, so I've seen the video, and then I have to click add. Next up is to adjust my video to fit the background, and then I'll go to remove my video background. So I'm trying to remove the original background of this very video. So I've removed it, and this is a video. So I'm using the background right now. It's simple, right? So try changing your background so that your video will look more beautiful. See you. Bye.